Welcome back to another video. We are in snowy Madison, Wisconsin, and we are going to be replacing the windshield wipers on this Tiguan. So, quick and easy job, guys. You cannot, unfortunately, lift these up very far. You don't really have much working room. So, to fix that, go in here. So now to get the windshield wipers to come up and stick up nicely, all you need to do is put your car into accessory mode. So don't put your foot on the brake, all right? If you have a key, just turn it slightly. Don't turn the ignition, just slightly, just to get the accessories on. And then you turn it off. And then what you do is you turn the windshield wiper on. And you'll notice your windshield wipers will now beautifully stick up. All right, so now that you have your windshield wipers up, just lift it up. Careful not to accidentally slam it down. You don't want to break your window. Obviously, that'd be pretty worst case scenario. But you see this button here? We're just going to press that. And this whole mechanism right here just kind of pops out. So you just kind of wiggle it back and forth, comes right up. Super simple. I'll take this guy, same thing, we'll just kind of wiggle it back and forth, comes right out. I got a pair of 2 windshield wipers. I'm just rip these open. All right, so now that that's off, simply you see the little tab, that's just gonna go right through the hole. So you just place it right here and you push down. Boom, super easy. You can close your windshield wipers. And for the other wiper, the process is identical. No worries about this. As soon as you get in, as soon as you turn your car on, as soon as you start driving, they will go away. So simply put, if you notice how those windshield wipers are up, if you just go in, turn the power back on, and I just like to kind of go up and down a couple of times, and you'll see they kind of fall right back down. Simple job. Now, if you need wipers for your Tiguan and you don't want to go to an automotive store and sift through all the different wipers and what's right, what's going to fit your car versus not, I'll have an Amazon link to the specific wipers you can purchase. And these wipers will fit any Tiguan of the 2nd generation that were manufactured from 2016 all the way through 2024. So if your car fits that time range and is part of the MQB platform that looks like these cars, then these wipers will work for your car. Thank you guys for watching. If you found that helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Volkswagen videos.